Namar bagi jingjit di kinong mikmat pajba si yang torbar thawan ke jela kelanang jan ki sengsang perthai hak jela kelanang penbena bat pentikna yang lagi kertong ki bani aireng hak nek election hak senam banwan. Kaseng Kongres na East Shillong Constituency kan peniang daw samla Manuel Badwar uban hak bani kun persya ia ke MLA balasya suspend na Kaseng Kongres i Dr. Amperin Lengdo. Hak ini kesengi bala penbena yang kerteng jong kertong Kaseng Kongres na East Shillong Constituency lapan longi kejingilang ha Anton Hall lai umkra ha kejingi don lang jong kinong ilam ke parti ki bakentup nadu presiden ke parti ha Meghalaya Uma Vincent H Pala working president ke parti uba PNCM uba Roni V Lengdo ubri UMDC ke Melim Constituency ha kejingi don lang jong kinong kitkam ke Mahila Kongres bat kiwei
Vincent H Pala president BCC. I'd like to welcome this to PNC. You would notice that no matter what happens in the past 50 years of our existence in this state, the Congress has only stood for one ideology. And those ideologies that the Congress stand for is for everyone to know. I need not even mention those words anymore. So which means and beckons the fact that, we are with the Congress just because of the simple fact that Congress is strong on its ideologies. And this is very important. Because if you look at the time immemorial about what the Congress is all about, and we start right from the days of Mahatma Gandhi, right? He always believed that inclusivity, diversity, freedoms of speech and expression is one thing which is most critical to him. While he was in South Africa, even as a lawyer there, he had fought for those rights. And when he came back to India, he always believed in that. And I am, for one, a strong believer of these unique characters that we need to instill in our own hearts. I believe that we should celebrate religions. We should celebrate different communities in our society where we live in. And I believe that we can only be stronger if we can live as one. I don't believe at all in divisive tactics that normally is followed by the various political parties. And that is something which we have to imbibe. And especially East Shillong is one constituency which is a jewel in the crown when it comes to that kind of unity that we need to stick together. If you again move forward from Mahatma Gandhi, right, and you go to Nehru.
I didn't experience myself when I visited. I think my constituency in Sujna is one of the biggest constituencies in Meghalaya. But I made a point to visit at least every house in the constituency, door to door. We started right from 8 o'clock in the morning up to 12 o'clock at night. So I request here also here also is Shillong. Please visit door to door. I keep on insisting, Manuel, I am still insisting, please visit door to door. Sometimes it may not be possible for a candidate to personally visit the houses, but his family members, the party workers, both from the Mahilas, from the youth, make a program, make a plan, and try to visit every concern, every house. And sometimes, it is always in our mind that if we don't have money, then we may not be success in our election. I think I've seen many times who fought elections, be it in Roy, be it in different, even Joy, even in Korea, different processes, where the people used to spend crores of money, but they did not win the election. But people who work hard spend less money with a proper plan.
Jishan Teton, Lada Kaseng Congress Ketua Kejima La AP. Dengan next camp, bakal lain kera bapa Punjab, Shillong East, lain kera bagi bapa Punjab ke Kaseng Congress, menda dengan Trishitam, Punjab, nama Niale Omtang, Nanong Kumno. Mereka habis ekipor, kiban pentame, kiban perbi yang pada tekibun jekibor. Mentaka shonapi, ni dainem ki brio ki badal ka nomrem, ni dainem ki nomre ki jagan brio ka constituency ka bapete taloi ka pateng. Lada ni bakala kemur ngam ka nok ni. Ngai jana ki bombi na kaseng kongres, ki belia snok ka kui ki parti, ki krembo ya ki hakma, ki bo ya labi hakma. Ki bo ka jimonto jo ki hakma, ki krembo ya ka jimonto, ka jimshan, ka jimsuk tin sanjumbi, na jo ki jala, ki bo ya ka jimonto ya labi hakma. Kata se bisha ka pi ki monto ko. Ni kerana ke shisha, umami dam ke nomre, umami rong sakane ke jeli, nana de nalai kra. Lapoi shemale ke nomale ki bede na bano mikma, ngam na manshe ya karajo upaiga, banyak ti na koi ke sen sha koi ke sen. Yang ni kiwan kro. Ya ba kam shan kiwan kro lagi ni, nimlai umami soto, yang ke nomre pan pe nam ta ke bede. PE menta kecil kurban sisiap kada PE menta kecil berperbiang berpenteri hak show yang skim pada lada PE kerja ni sen kongres kembang ke ketian kecil senior karoi undai bopol kerja senior kecil senior karoi nama kibri kibabha kisnapchat Tomopi kinong katapur coba Shillong East hatta pikwa benda lada pikwa kentai kini kisen kerja kisen kongres. Ngai yana kisen kongres kan sakit biang keleng ke India. Wat lenge kumakilong menta sen kongres undang apelesio. Ngai ini sajib ya, ini sebentar ya, ini sabam kia sen kongres.